Hi, we are from At Home Tuition. In this video, we are going to see few examples on addition and subtraction of integers. The first question is, in a magic square, each row, column and diagonal have the same sum. Check which of the following is a magic square. So, solution. So, what is given? A 3 cross 3 square numbers. Okay, magic square. So, to check whether this square is a magic square. So how to check is, we want to check sum of all the digits in each row, each column and each diagonal. If their sum is same, then that square is a magic square. Now let us see. So we know that if sum of digits of each rows, column and diagonals are equal, then the given square is a magic square. So we'll check for the sum of each row, column and diagonals. Let's consider this first square. So the first row is, we have named it as R1 and the numbers in that row is 5, negative 1, negative 4. This is the second row. The numbers are negative 5, negative 2 and 7. And this is the third row. The numbers are 0, 3 and negative 3. Then first column is 5, negative 5 and 0. The second column is negative 1, negative 2 and 3. The third column is negative 4, 7 and negative 3. And the diagonal one. So this is the diagonal. 5, negative 2 and negative 3 are the numbers in the diagonal 1. And in diagonal 2, negative 4, negative 2 and 0 are there. Now we want to find sum of all the numbers in the first row, second row and third row, and similarly in the columns and diagonals. Now let's check the first row. So the number in the first row is 5, negative 1 and 4. So we want to find the sum. So 5 plus negative 1 plus negative 4. So 5, this plus and negative will become negative 1. And then this plus and negative will become negative 4. So 5, negative 1, negative 4. So 5 minus 1 will be 4 minus 4. So 4 minus 4 is 0. So the sum of our numbers in the row 1 is 0. Next we'll take the second row. So the numbers are negative 5, negative 2 and 7. So we want to sum it. So negative 5 plus negative 2 plus 7. So negative 5 plus and negative will become negative. So negative 2. So here plus 7. So negative 5, negative 2 will be negative 7. So negative 7 plus 7 will be 0. So the sum in the second row is 0. Now let's check the third row. This one. So the numbers are 0 plus 3 plus negative 3. So 0 plus 3 is 3. This plus and negative will become negative 3. So 3 minus 3 is 0. So sum of third row is also 0. Now we'll find sum of all the three columns. So take the column 1. So here it is 5 plus negative 5 plus 0. So 5 plus and negative will become minus 5. So this 0 if you add, we'll get the same. So 5 minus 5 is 0. So column 1 is also 0. Sum of column 1 is 0. Next we'll take the column 2. So the numbers are negative 1 plus negative 2 plus 3. So negative 1, this plus and negative is negative. So negative 2 plus 3. So negative 1, negative 2 is negative 3 plus 3. So negative 3 plus 3 is 0. So sum of the numbers in the second column is also 0. Now we'll see the sum of numbers in the third column. So it's negative 4 plus 7 plus negative 3. So negative 4 we are writing as such, plus 7, and plus and negative is negative 3. So negative 4 plus 7 is positive 3 minus 3. So 3 minus 3 is 0. So sum of all the numbers in third column is also 0. Now we want to find the sum of numbers in the diagonal. So we have totally 2 diagonals. So this is the first diagonal. So 5 plus negative 2 plus negative 3. So this plus and negative is negative. So 5, negative 2 plus and negative is negative. So negative 3. So 5, this negative 2 and negative 3 will become negative 5. So 5 minus 5 is 0. So sum of diagonal 1 is also 0. Now we'll find sum of diagonal 2. So the numbers are negative 4 plus negative 2 plus 0. So negative 4, this plus and negative is negative 2. So negative 4, negative 2 is negative 6. So in the diagonal 2, it is negative 6. So if you see here, All the 3 rows, the sum is 0. The 3 columns, the sum is 0. The diagonal 1, it is 0. But in diagonal 2, it is negative 6. See, our condition is all the sum of all the columns, rows and diagonal should have equal number. But here it is not equal. So the square 1 is not a magic square because the sum is not equal. Now we'll see the second square. Consider the second square. Okay, so sum of the rows, row 1. What is the numbers? So 1 plus 10 and then 0. So 1 plus negative 10 will become negative 10. So 1 negative 10 is negative 9. Now we'll take the second row. That's negative 4 plus negative 3 plus negative 2. So negative 4, then plus and minus will be negative 3. And plus and negative will be again negative 2. So all negative. So negative 4, negative 3 will be negative 7. Negative 2 will be negative 9. So sum of all the numbers in the row 2 is negative 9. Now we'll take the third row. So the numbers are negative 6 plus 4 plus negative 7. Now negative 6 plus 4 is negative 2, negative 7. So negative 2, negative 7 is negative 9. Sum of all the numbers in the row 3 is negative 9. Now we find sum of all the numbers in the columns. So first column. So it is 1 plus negative 4 plus negative 6. So 1 plus negative 4 and negative 6 will become negative 10. So 1 minus 10 will be negative 9. Now we'll take the second column. It's negative 10 plus negative 3 plus 4. So negative 10, this plus and negative is again negative 3 plus 4. So negative 10, negative 3 is negative 13 plus 4. So sum of the numbers in column 2 is negative 9. Now we'll see the sum of numbers in column 3. So that is 0 plus negative 2 plus negative 7. So negative 2 plus negative 7 will be negative 9. So sum of all the numbers in column 3 is also negative 9. Now we'll see the diagonals. We have two diagonals. So the first diagonal is 1 plus negative 3 plus negative 7. So negative 3, 1 plus negative 3 will be negative 2 plus negative 7. So it will be negative 9. So now we'll take the next diagonal. So here it is 0 plus negative 3 plus negative 6. So negative 3 plus negative 6 will be negative 9. So the diagonal 2 is also negative 9. So if you see here, all the 3 rows, we have the sum as negative 9. All the 3 columns, the sum is negative 9. The diagonal 1 sum is negative 9. And the diagonal 2 sum is negative 9. So here sum of all the numbers, rows, columns and diagonals are same. So this square is a magic square because their sums are all same. Hope you understood with this magic square how to find the numbers, that is sum of integers, addition and subtraction of integers, positive integers and negative integers. Thank you for watching this video.